Hello, welcome back to another English class with English America, BurlingtonEnglish.com. We are going to continue with this unit. This will be the last week of classes for before summer. I hope everybody's doing well and ready for a good summer. Now we are going to cover seeing the doctor. Okay, so we're going to begin with vocabulary, which are important words that we need to be aware of. Okay, so today you guys going to listen and repeat. Okay, listen and repeat with me. Okay, so the first one: cold, cold, cough, 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 cut, cut, deep cut, deep cut, high fever, high fever, pain, pain, sick, sick, sneeze, 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 stomach ache, stomach ache, bandage, bandage, cream, cream, do tests, do tests, medicine, medicine, prescription, prescription, rest, rest, stitches, stitches, take pills, take pills. Here are some more expressions. Come back, come back, feel well, feel well, how can I help you? How can I help you? How can I help you? I'd like, I'd like, I'd like, take my temperature, take my temperature, twice a day, twice a day, what's wrong, what's wrong, accident, accident, hurt, hurt, meal, meal. As you can see, this set of words refer to medical problems. Sometimes you have a cold. You have a cold. When you have a cold, most likely the symptoms from a cold will be that you have a cough. When you cough, you cover your mouth, okay? Especially during this time that we are living, it's very important for you to, when you cough, you cover your mouth, okay? So you don't get anyone sick. Cut. You're referring to when you cut yourself, or maybe you are in the kitchen and you are doing a little bit of cooking, and sometimes there's accidents that happen and you cut yourself, then you have to wrap it up with a band-aid, okay? Cut. Or you can cut your foot, you can cut different places of your body. Deep cut. Now, if you have a deep, profound cut, then you probably will need stitches. Profound or deep. Deep cut. High fever. When you refer to a high fever, is when your temperature goes up. A high fever is determined by your body temperature, okay? For example, if you have a 99, 100, 101, 102 will be a high fever. Degrees, 101, 100, 101, 102 degrees Fahrenheit. Pain. You feel pain. Sometimes you have different pains in your body, okay? When you have a cold, you might experience body aches. Your body aches, your whole being hurts. It's in pain, okay? Sometimes you hurt yourself and you also feel pain. There is another word, sick. Sick is when you are feeling ill. Another word for sick is ill, okay? Sickness, sick, ill. Sneeze. Sneeze is when you do something like a ch. You also cover your mouth and your nose when you sneeze. It's the same thing when you cough. Sneeze, ch, cough. Stomach ache. Notice that this word has two words in one. It's a compound word. Stomach ache. Stomach ache. Ache is another word for pain. It hurts. Stomach ache. Remember, head ache, stomach ache, back ache, head ache, stomach ache, back ache. Ache. This set of words refer to treatments such as bandage. If you have a cut, you're going to need a bandage because you cover yourself with the bandage, right? Cream. Let's say you cut yourself, but it's not too severe, it's not too bad. You can put a little bit of cream, or maybe you hurt yourself, you can put a little bit of cream. That will be one of the treatments for it. Do tests. Sometimes you have to do tests to determine if you are sick, if you have a cold, you have the flu, or you have any sort of sickness. You will need to do sometimes tests. Some of these are blood tests. Medicine will be another treatment that is used for, obviously, majority of the medical problems that you experience. Prescription. When the doctor prescribes something, He gives you something that you have the paper, a piece of paper, signed by, authorized by the doctor. You go to the pharmacy, and then they will have your prescription ready for you to pick up. Now, prescription, some medicine you need prescription, some medicine you don't. You can buy it all over the counter. But for this prescriptions, you need a signature by the doctor. Rest. The best treatment that you could have for any illness, any sickness, is to rest. To allow your body to slow down and calm down and rest. Take your rest. Stitches. The stitches. You're going to need stitches, okay? They stitch you up when you have a deep cut. When your cuts are profound and need stitches, they need to sew you up. Stitches. Take pills. Sometimes you have a headache, you have a stomachache, and few pills will help you. Okay, take pills. Some other expressions that you may hear in this unit will be come back, is to return, to come back. Feel well. Feel well. If you see someone that is not doing well, it's sick or ill, you want to wish that person to get better. So the expression is feel well. Feel well. Hopefully that person recovers soon. How can I help you? How can I help you? You express this when you are trying to provide help. You are trying to help someone. You can say, how can I help you? I like. This is I like is a short for I would like. I would like. I would like an aspirin. I would like to go to see the doctor. I like. Take my temperature. How can you take temperatures? Well, you can take temperatures by using a thermometer like this one right here. Okay? You can take your temperature to determine if you have a fever. Twice a day. Sometimes you have to take medicine. The medicine that you take or the prescription that is given by the doctor, sometimes you have to take it twice a day, right? Twice means 2 times. Twice a day, 2 times a day. Sometimes it's 3 times. Sometimes it's only once, right? Once, twice, 3 times. What's wrong? It's another expression that you can use to ask someone if how they are feeling. What's wrong? What's wrong? Is anything going on with you? Do you have a headache? Do you have a fever? What's wrong? General vocabulary words that you will need in this unit will be accident, hurt, and meal. Well, these are the words that we will be covering in this unit. Please practice your exercises, repeat these words, and please send me a note or an email if you need any a clarification with any of these words. Okay, tomorrow we will continue with this. What I would like you to do now is to really practice your vocabulary. Okay, really repeat and record each one of these words like this. The program, the software will give you this opportunity to record. You click here, cold, and when you're ready to record, you click on this button right here and cold, cough, cut. Notice that the ones that were correctly recorded, and it will give you that this little green measurement if they were well pronounced. If it's not pronounced correctly, the program will allow you to do it one more time, like in this case. Cut. And there you go. Well, I hope you practice your vocabulary, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a wonderful day.